Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm going to show the installation of a TP stand with a core flute sign. So first things first, you'll notice there's a hardware kit to the side and you've got your two panels. First thing I want you to do is stand both of these up on their side. Like, yay. Okay, grab your core flute panel. What you'll need to do, when you pop your core flute panel in, it needs to sit flush against this part of your TP stand. What you will then notice, there are two holes, here and here. You will need to mark them with a pen or a marker because you will need to drill through your core flute so you can install the product. Once you've drilled through, first bolt with the small washer, you'll be able to pop that through one side. Once it's popped through one side, bigger washer and wing nut, that will hold it together. This product is also designed to hold between a 3 and a 20mm piece of core flute, hence the reason one of the bolts is so long. Once you have it installed, you can then stand it up and your TP stand is installed.